Good morning, guys. It's Carter TDC Gear, back with another unboxing. This one's coming from Arrowmax, rc.com. I originally done this off of Kickstarter. This is gonna be pretty good. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Let's get into it. Nice packaging. All right, we've got a USB Type-C cord. Looks like it's a little bent. I don't know if it was meant to be like that. I'm sure it is. Type-C, USB on one end. All right. Got some paperwork, nothing else in the box. All right, the Arrowmax. Turn it up this way, Arrowmax. And you have like this little, sort of like a little case. It says push. It's your charging port. Ooh. This is nice. Here we got all the different bits. Screwdriver. Now this is an automatic screwdriver. It's a powered screwdriver. Ooh, little, oh shoot! About broke it already. Did you see the little display right there? It's got your battery, your little screw, and it's got, looks like a number 1. Oh, you got even more bits. It's like there's an extension, and you got all your, it's like the security bits. You got squares, Phillips, flathead, Torx, Allen. Dang, you got all kind of bits on this thing. Some more Phillips over here, some more Torx bits, some more Allen heads. Looks like, can't tell, there's a T2, T3, T8, T9. There's a TH9, TH7. I don't know what those are. A little charger port right there for the, I guess, in the back of the screwdriver. Bits look good. Bits look really good. I'll have to definitely try these out and let you know how they are. But let's see what this does. Let's get some paperwork. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. All right, we have instructions in English and Chinese or Japanese. I'm not sure which, but all right. So this is the power button. Turn it on. Oh, look at that animation. That's pretty cool. That's reverse. And this is in. And watch the little screw right there go in and out, and even the little arrows right there. That's pretty cool. It's pretty quiet. It's got some little LEDs right here. You can see them. Let's put this in there. There you go. You can see it going. It's forward. This is reverse. Let's see what else it says. All right. There are 5 different modes. There's a minimum torque, low torque, medium torque, high torque, and max torque. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All ranging from 0.5 kgf.cm to maximum torque of 4.0 kgf.cm. Let's see how we change this. Okay, we mashed the power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. Once you get into it, as you see right, oh, there, 1, 2, 3. You can see the numbers right there, and you can keep hitting, and you can select which one you want. Let's try 5. Let's see what it does. Ooh. Can you hear that? That's look at that thing go. Like I said, that's on the number 5 setting. Sorry for the flicker. This is that's pretty cool. I think Arrowmax knocked it out of the park. This would be great for all my EDC gear, my knives, flashlights, any other little things I got around the house. Phones, I take apart phones sometimes, fix screens. This will definitely come in handy for that. Oh, let's read. All right, check this out. I wanted to see about that little pad on the back right here. This is actually magnetic right here. So let's try something. Look at that. You have like a little workstation right here on the back of the case that you can put your screws and stuff, and they won't go nowhere. That's, the whole thing is magnetic. That's pretty cool. That is awesome. Yeah, right. I'm digging this. Let's put that back. And the amount of bits that you get with this, like I said, that's just, they give you a crap ton of bits. Anything you could possibly use. That's crazy. This is gonna be awesome. What is this? Is that an Allen head? You know, it looks round, but that is just crazy. This is I think this is gonna be a pretty neat little thing. Look at that, sticks in. Whoa. Not very well. Magnets ain't very strong, but it does hold it in there somewhat. There you go, guys. Little quick unboxing of the Arrowmax power screwdriver. You can go on to, where's it at? Arrowmax-rc.com if you would like to check these out. I want to say they even had like a drill press for this screwdriver. Yeah, that's right. A drill press. You can put it in there, and they also come with little small drill bits for it. Go check them out on Arrowmax. This is the model I got, but go check them out, guys. Appreciate you watching. Catch you later, gearheads.